Now, the WGAL News 8 Storm Team forecast with Chief Meteorologist Christine Ferreira.
Good morning. We have a newly issued cold weather advisory from the National Weather Service that goes into effect at 4 a.m. Saturday and continues until 10 a.m. Sunday. So basically all of Saturday into Sunday morning, we are looking for very cold wind chills. Let me show you Saturday morning. We could have wind chills as low as 20 degrees below zero in some spots. In the afternoon, those wind chills stay below zero. We haven't seen that yet this season. So all day long, sub-zero wind chills, and they could be dangerously cold where frostbite could occur within 30 minutes if you don't have your skin covered up. So make sure you cover up when you go outdoors on Saturday. Now, Sunday morning, equally bitter to start, but by Sunday afternoon, those wind chills will improve to the single digits. In addition, we have to deal with the strong wind gusts. There is a wind advisory in effect for the same time frame, mainly on Saturday into Sunday morning. We are going to be watching out for winds gusting as high as 50 to 55 miles per hour, especially on some of those ridge tops. So that is certainly possible. You see widespread gusts in the 40 to near 50 mile per hour range here tomorrow morning. Same deal tomorrow afternoon. And finally, by tomorrow evening into Sunday, I do see those winds starting to relax. Today, though, our News 8 Storm Team forecast, we're looking for some scattered snow showers. So ahead of this Arctic blast, we will see some scattered snow showers starting as early as late this morning into the afternoon and then ending later this evening into tonight. So scattered in nature, light in nature, a coating to an inch by the time it's all said and done. For tonight, we drop down into the teens. We will see those snow showers ending and then the wind really picking up. That's how the cold air gets in here, and that's why we are going to see those intense wind chills into tomorrow. So tomorrow, of course, is an alert day because of the extreme cold. Temperatures aren't getting out of the teens tomorrow, but wind chills could be as low as 20 below zero, especially in the morning. Here's a look at your currents. Because it's been partly cloudy overnight, the temperatures dropped. We're at 7 in York, 9 in Selinsgrove, 9 in Harrisburg, 10 in Lebanon. Equally cold to this time yesterday. Wind speeds are light, so not much of a chill now, but you know that wind is coming behind this Clipper system, which is back toward Chicago. So as this cold air rushes our way, we will see some scattered snow showers ahead of it. You can see on the predictor here, as early as lunchtime, we could be seeing a few, especially in northwestern counties. And they spread east this afternoon, but notice the very scattered nature of these snow showers. And by evening, there's still a couple around with only a few trailing snow showers overnight. Now, tomorrow, it's a dry day. We'll see some sun to start. Clouds bubble up in the afternoon. Then those clouds clear out of here by evening. With the clear skies as we head into Sunday, it is going to be bitterly cold. Same deal on Monday. We will see mostly sunny conditions to start, and then some clouds will fill in. Here's the predictor estimated snowfall totals. Coating to an inch will do it across the Susquehanna Valley. And remember, that is really all day today into tonight for those scattered snow shower chances. But the wind chills, they're going to be significant and very impactful tomorrow. In the morning, up to 20 below. In the afternoon, 5 to 15 below zero. Regina, we just haven't seen it stay below zero all day yet this winter. So this is going to be the coldest day, the coldest feels like day of the winter so far. There's the extended forecast next Wednesday. We're still following that chance of some mixed precipitation, but that system at the end of the week looks like it's not going to be a big deal anymore. We'll keep you posted. I think at the end of the week, it's just windy and cold.